The focus of this video is to help you understand what polyatomic ions are and how they form ionic compounds. The word polyatomic has the prefix poly, which means many, and the root word atomic, referring to atoms. So when we put them together, polyatomic means many atoms. In the simplest way of understanding, a polyatomic ion consists of two or more atoms held together by covalent bonds and has one overall charge, either a positive or a negative. A positive polyatomic ion is called a polyatomic cation, such as ammonium. And a negative polyatomic ion is called a polyatomic anion, such as nitrate. The key idea is to treat the polyatomic ion as one group with a single charge. So for example, the nitrate, you would see it as one group with a 1- charge. The ammonium, you would see it as one group with a 1+ charge. By the way, these brackets are an indication that you have to treat it as one group, and you have to see this group with just one specific charge. Now, different polyatomic ions will have different charges. Keep that in mind because it will help you when writing and naming compounds containing polyatomic ions. Now, let's use potassium nitrate as an example of an ionic compound containing a polyatomic ion. Potassium nitrate contains a cation, one that has a positive charge, and an anion, one that has a negative charge. According to Coulomb's law, opposite charges will attract. And because of that attraction, we are able to form this compound called potassium nitrate. However, keep in mind that the atoms within the nitrate are held together by covalent bonds. These right here are the covalent bonds, meaning that this polyatomic ion is staying together because of the covalent bonds, meaning they are sharing electrons and are staying as a group. So in summary, potassium nitrate contains ionic bonding between the ions, the positive and the negative, and covalent bonding between the polyatomic ion. This is why potassium nitrate is classified as an ionic compound containing a polyatomic ion.